Hello friends, once again welcome in Pharma Guide. We are conducting a pharmaceutical question and answer which are generally asked in interview. Uh, as discussed yesterday regarding today's topic, that is we are going to discuss on validation of purified water. So as we know that water is the most important as essential part of different pharmaceutical preparation and is used for cleaning of machine equipments and other accessories during manufacturing. Hence directly or indirectly it play a vital role in building of product quality. So what is pharmaceutical water validation? Establishing the reliability of pharmaceutical water purification, storage, distribution system require demonstrating control of the process through an appropriate period of monitoring and observation. This is called the purified water system validation. So why it is required? The purpose of carrying out water system validation is to ensure that the treatment process produce a high quality of water consistently. Water system validation is mandatory in order to supply the reproducibility, consistency and effectiveness of water system. What are the general steps which are uh, followed for water system validation? First is design qualification, second is installation qualification, third is operation qualification, and fourth is performance qualification, and then after the fifth stage, this is different phases of water validation. The DQ, it contained complete schematic diagram of mechanical, electrical and water flow in order to verify the appropriate installation. Installation qualification gives surety and proof that water system has correctly installed, supplied and meets. IQ, OQ, operation qualification consists of various inspection and test in order to verify the reliable operation of equipment, system, control and alert. PQ is carried out by performing the necessary product test and intermediate test of process to demonstrate reliable and accurate performance. PQ documents that water quality consistently and continuously meet the predetermined required specification. After performing these stages of qualification, our next step is different phases of water system validation. Complete water system validation required 1 year long time because of possible operating problem, maintenance error which might occur during this period, equipment failure, etc. One more reason for such long time is to determine the seasonal change on the microbial quality of the feed water and to determine the procedure of system sanitization effectiveness against the microorganism. Water system validation has been categorized in three phases: phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. Generally phase 1 is consists of 2 to 4 weeks, that is 14 days minimum, and phase 2 consists of 2 to 4 weeks, 30 days. Phase 3 1 year after satisfactory completion of phase 2. So hi dear guys, that's it about what purified water system validation. Some of the question may asked from water system validation. We will meet again in next video with another topic, important topic that asked in pharmaceutical interview. To get latest uploaded videos notification, please be subscribed and press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Thank you guys.